Jesus.
All right, get this. Oh, wait. Baylor, are you here? Baylor, are you here?
Yeah, so
Okay. Donald Trump, are you here?
Oh, trouble.
Shut
Yeah,
it.
Trump.
Donald
Can you
Trump,
hear
save us.
Save us.
Donald Trump. That should totally be a soundboard thing.
Donald Trump,
You
save us.
shit on their mic.
What?
On their mic.
I was
They
sipping
always
some
shit on
Baja
the mic.
Blast. I was sipping some Baja
It's calm.
Blast, man.
Oh, okay. You're sipping it like through a straw? Because it sounded like a straw or something.
No, through my anal glands.
Oh, yeah, okay. That makes more sense.
By diffusion. Kitty, don't worry about what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to record this properly. I think it might only record game.
Your
Okay,
your
sweet.
OBS will only record game.
Oh, it won't.
Oh yeah, you can, can't you? Man, I think it's because we
Only been a
didn't hit
minute.
it at exactly 7 o'clock. All the games are already filled. We're the one-off. We are the exception.
Oh, here we go. I think I figured it out.
Crime
Yeah, here we go.
scene.
Alright, I got it. I don't know where it uploads this video, but alright, I'm recording. There's no reason to do it this soon. Okay. Let's see where that recording goes. No, it's alright.
Match found.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm playing Cypher. Oh, Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Blizzard versus Chef X.
These guys are nothing. These guys are nothing.
Why would you say that?
Blizzards don't even exist in Blizzards.
Ban Diego. Ban Diego.
Discord is
You're
definitely
off the team.
preferable over party chat too, because I can manage your volume apparently. So, because on the last match, no matter what I did, I couldn't lower your volume. Everyone was so loud.
No, we're muting in
It's
Discord.
defense first.
No, we're just using this.
Okay.
I'm gonna mute, and you guys can.
I didn't even notice my Discord crashed earlier.
Ah, Daniel.
They're about to play their game. It's serious.
We're on Illinois. Why are we on Illinois servers?
We only get to choose east or west.
We were on east.
They have brought fade.
Yeah, Illinois east.
Strained as my own.
I have a network problem.
Bro doesn't know a simple geography.
No.
Alright.
Is that there? Oh no,
I'm
he's
watching.
definitely muted.
What happens when I watch Hillary?
Brass, you probably want to play your trap over anything else. Brass, goddammit, you didn't watch me do this.
No,
the
yeah.
trip.
Yeah, the trip.
Yeah. You didn't
Wait,
watch me do the vent
where?
trip.
Why is enemy chat muted?
Yeah, Baylor, be aware of mid because he's gonna play his trap, and you want to throw down your little thing, Bryce, so you can actually play the trap, man.
Oh, yeah.
Cover going out.
They're here.
Nice, now get out.
Oh, what the I got slowed because of the thing. They're just gonna W.
Yeah, they sure are.
Spike planted.
Oh, dude, I'm shit right now. 78 on the
Holy shit.
Phoenix.
I can't play.
Calling you.
Last player standing. Be at peace.
Me getting hit with that shade really fucked.
Fuck! No!
Alright, you guys got this. Bryce, make sure you do your setup properly, like faster this time.
No.
So you don't get caught out, because you don't want to die there.
So, what's the plan?
Okay, how do I do the first one again?
The other way.
Are
Other
we
wall.
saving or?
Other
are we
wall.
done?
Yeah, we're saving.
Other
I'm
wall,
buying my
man.
wall because
So
I
you're
do
right to
that
left.
every round.
Taylor,
No,
oh, sorry,
to your
not
left.
that.
Okay.
Colin,
You, watch.
you can just.
left.
Dude, come on.
Okay, whatever.
Oh my god. That's not gonna work.
Snuff them out.
I hear mid and B.
Cover going out.
Diego should probably just play with you and nade
They're
it
on
so you can
site.
get out.
I did nade it. I'm just got killed instantly.
Spike planted.
Phoenix is down below.
Holy shit, he's hit 52.
Bomb buddy out.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Last player
fucking sucks.
standing. Boom.
I know I'm not defusing this.
Oh!
Okay, so first of all, don't stand somewhere where you can be shot when you're smoking. Play like tucked around the corner or something. And
Their
second of
phoenix
all,
may
so what I'm saying,
feel
play with
immortal.
Autumn.
I shall remind him just how mortal he truly is.
It's not like you're not meant to take the positions literally. It's like play B. Dog. Like don't stand somewhere you can be shot. Hold on, show me where. Show me where, man.
Here.
Nah, dog, don't do that there. Why would you do that? You could get shot from there. Dude. Okay, whatever. And then so alright.
Holy shit. 64 and 88. 88 on Killjoy, 64 on Phoenix.
They're going up ramp.
There's two of them pushed up. Somebody needs to stand mid still.
Fade's hit 40 in vent. Probably gonna go B through vent.
Yeah.
We shouldn't have all rotated.
Spike planted.
Honestly, just save.
Coming towards heaven.
You just gotta save those guns.
Bomb buddy out. Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Yeah, just save. Okay, so yes, Autumn, do not smoke anywhere they can see you because they could just swing around the corner. That's why I was telling you guys. So Diego, at the beginning of the round, yeah, gotcha. Just say okay. Okay, Diego.
Sage,
So this time instead of going heaven, you're gonna go B main with Autumn, and you're gonna
whoever
nade
was taken
B
from.
main immediately so that they can't
Holy
get pushed when they
shit!
get one
I
way.
got no econ from that. Oh my
Okay.
god.
Well, because you didn't.
I sure
you
didn't
li-
either.
You lived.
Because it lived, yeah.
And all of you,
Survivors
think about
Guild.
trading
don't
and
get
playing
any money.
together. Okay.
Where's my dude in heaven? Is that an acceptable
You're
position?
on your own for now. Yeah. Just
Alright.
like be more liberal with the wall. Like do it sooner if you think you need to.
Shadows traveling.
Shots in heaven. Or mid, I mean.
Hey, Bryce. They're taking
Yeah.
ult orb right here. Stop looking there.
Shadows traveling.
They're running towards mid. They're in mid.
They're going vents. Holy shit.
I'm gonna rotate.
You should run.
Fuck.
Spike planted.
Good job.
Fuck.
Well,
Cover going out.
You have to play more aggressive.
Blinding.
One enemy
Fuck.
remaining.
Cover going out.
I will
Last player standing.
That's fucking tough.
You don't have to. Why'd you run into it?
There's some good util.
It's
on
alright,
it.
guys. It's alright. It's alright.
Okay,
One of
okay.
the last
Oh, it's
4
just a
rounds,
question.
You guys got it.
It's just a question.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying. Let's be.
I'm
it's all
sorry.
good.
Okay. Makes sense. That's a fair assumption to make. Okay.
guys got it.
No,
Do not
I
stall.
think I would have made the same mistake, to be honest.
You guys
Bryce, you
got it.
gotta
Don't
place
tilt.
this trip
It's also
first over
been
here.
pretty quiet, I would say. Like, communicate with each other more.
I'll watch mid, Baylor. Don't worry about the
Shadows
trip
traveling.
wire.
Yeah. And also, Bryce, yeah, you did miss your trip. So,
I don't know how to set up
Nice,
the
Autumn.
side.
Just step back, step back, step back.
2 in mid.
I'll wait until we see more activity.
Shadows traveling.
Harbor
gonna
on
be long.
B.
It's you and
Bryce
me.
there.
Stealing sight.
Oh shit.
Cover going out.
Falls down.
Still hearing a lot of movement on B.
It's 57 on Harbor, 57 on Harbor, and 70
All mid.
on KO. Or not KO, Killjoy. Killjoy 70, Harbor 57.
Short wise, not long wise, Bryce.
Cover going out.
For in the middle,
30
bro.
seconds left.
That works.
They pushed up
Yes.
mid. Can we clear comms? Going Ben.
One enemy remaining.
There's another.
Good zest, Bryce. Okay.
Tagged him 101.
Nice, Bryce.
Autumn last one's A. Last
10
one's A.
seconds
Oh,
left.
yes, he does.
He went.
Team Ace.
Nice.
Good job, guys. Good job,
Good
guys.
shit.
Sorry, I
Good
didn't
job,
understand
guys.
what you meant at
I
first.
believe in you.
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Just
stand
short
by.
wise and put it more in the
Now
middle
is our
so they
chance.
have to walk over it. I don't know if
Need
they
a drop.
can grab the rope in the one you put before. But
Can
like,
someone buy
basically
Baylor?
just crouch.
Or
Need a drop.
here, I'll do
Yeah,
it.
right
Need
here.
a
Yeah,
drop.
yeah, exactly, right there.
That makes a lot more sense. I didn't understand that at first.
I'm gonna have your spot by Tuesday, and I get my PC on.
Yeah, tell Tyler to fuck off.
Gonna continue to hold down here with you,
Shadows
Autumn.
traveling.
B. Hold mid. Yeah, I hear them in the corner right here.
Shadows traveling.
I hear at least 2 there. Oh, they're out. They rotate.
They're out.
Rotate.
Ultimate is ready.
Spike down A. One enemy remaining.
I have Spike.
Flawless.
Nice.
Let's go.
That was a really great hold. But okay, so to be clear, Diego, you need to nade it at the very beginning so they can't push autumn.
Anyone have
Well,
any-
So-
they do their one way.
I didn't. I
Like,
agree
every
with
time I've
you.
watched,
I
you've done
agree
it,
with
you've,
you.
like waited super long.
Well, I didn't think. In my perspective, I didn't realize you meant like as soon as round starts.
Yeah, yeah. So just know that now. If they're
And
like,
and
you
while
need
I
to,
agree,
you need to assist
I
them there.
also get a kill in 135
Yeah,
damage.
I can, Diego. I can
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
you if I hear them running.
Claw through them.
But it still might be
But
wise
they
to
could
do
be there
it
at the very
anyway.
beginning of the round, and it's gonna be impossible for
Cover
Autumn to play
going
their
out.
one way.
I hear them
if they
be
can't get
long,
spaced.
maybe mid. Mid, yeah.
One of them's hit really good Harbor,
We
I
got
think.
2A. 2A.
And they're pushing mid. I slowered it. Oh god, the fade's up there, 39.
Holy shit, 137 on Harbor, and Phoenix is still there. They're gonna push B, I think.
Good with them.
Spike down B.
I have 8 shots, so I'm reloading.
They're rotating mid.
Grenade.
No,
Nade.
Rotating
no,
from
they
mid,
haven't.
Diego.
I'm watching it right now.
standing.
117. 117. On the Phoenix.
You can use your ult.
Give me a corpse.
Spike planted.
Where is everyone hiding?
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Cage triggered.
Camera.
Oh,
Yeah.
he just pushed straight up right there.
I didn't realize you were down, Autumn.
Nice try, Bryce. Sorry.
You got killed. You got killed by that double swing with the fade and the.
So yeah, deep, like really B main, like where they are gonna be standing at the beginning of the round, Diego.
How the from where should I stand to throw
From
that?
where
Like,
Autumn
where
got
Autumn's
killed,
been?
from where they thought they were supposed to stand.
Someone
before.
by me, maybe?
So
Or should
like
I just-
here.
Yes, or like
Thank
there.
you.
Like you should be able to, like just like take 2 steps to the right, throw it, and go back. Try not to take damage
Right.
if they're there.
That
I'm
makes
worried
sense.
about my
That makes sense.
cam.
Joke's over! You're dead!
And now you should be good to play your one way.
What was on us?
One's mid.
What 70? No, they're all there. There's literally
no, no.
4 there.
Fade on B.
No, there's one in mid.
I'll rotate. Autumn, keep watching your one way.
They're in heaven. Oh my god. They're going vent. Damn.
70 on ISO. 29 on Killjoy.
You're kidding.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
WP. It's okay, they're planting.
Spike planted.
Yeah, they're both on
You
site.
should run. One enemy remaining.
Just go in there, and you can destroy it.
Last player standing.
Oh, 120 on her.
Right.
Nice!
Go for defuse.
Nice.
Good shit,
Good
Auto.
job. Good job.
Bryce, you played that really
Gritty!
well. Good job.
Gritty!
I
No
missed
reason,
on my
no reason. Don't gritty
Yeah,
yet. We're too
I
down
I
still.
think you could play it a little bit more passive. Like I think you popped your cage a little early,
Even
but
with
like
numbers,
you
anything
did
can
play it
still
really well though.
Remember
Like
that.
good job. You got like 3 kills.
Also, sorry about my boom bot there. I didn't realize it would go off on her.
Autumn, can you
thing.
buy Baylor instead?
No, it's fine.
No,
If the
not-
eco is cut.
Alright.
Damn. Thing is, that round I really wish I had my grenade. I wish I hadn't used it here. But that's a case by case basis. I wouldn't. I'll keep doing it.
Shadows traveling.
Mid or B long.
Deep.
There's at least 3. Oh, one's knifing this thing.
Blinding.
Oh, Spike's on mid!
No.
Spike down.
Okay, no, that works.
They're B link. One's B link.
One enemy remaining. Long.
Nice.
Good shit.
Good job.
Dude, went
I'm
fucking.
so glad.
They
I'm
went
so glad I
fucking
went
mid
to
with
ult
the
there.
spike and knifed
good.
the wall.
Try to get
Bruh.
You're so lucky that didn't block, Diego.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking the exact same thing. I was like, I'm so fucking glad. I was so upset because you heard me go, oh no!
Yeah, that's hilarious.
What a if I was that ISO, I'd be so mad.
Cover going out.
Grenade.
Sorry.
Multiple mid. I'm pushing back.
Oh, you're kidding. What? 108 on fade.
Oh my fuck! Holy shit! No, they're dragging me. Okay. They're still heaven.
Planting B.
Spike planted.
Enemy killed.
Oh shit, I didn't need to do that. Whatever.
Headshot.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, CT stealer. Good shit.
Guys,
Very good shit.
over here.
We're so back.
Hey, let me ult orb. Let me ult orb.
Thanks.
Reloading.
Good shit.
Oh.
Nice shots, Baylor.
Good job, guys.
Snack time.
Just had to take off the rust.
Only brought enough for me.
Rust?
Ain't that the truth?
Time to go on a scrap run.
That's my victory laugh.
Autumn's only saying you because they wish they could do
They
a
wish
laugh
they-
like that.
Wish you were like us.
Hold our ground.
I'm gonna clip that.
Shadows traveling.
Grenade.
Got a flash.
Oh my god, there's so many. Y'all need to rotate.
You and me.
Coming.
I'm. What is
rotating.
this?
It's a 1v1.
Just one tap them.
Nice. Good shit.
But I'm dead immediately. How does that work?
Multiple enemies A.
Okay, well they're all in heaven.
Go get him.
Okay, but I got killed immediately after I killed him.
You're kidding. I wouldn't.
One enemy remaining.
Okay, spike
Oh
down.
my god.
What a heaven retake. Good job. Baylor, basically the way it works is if he ults you, you have a 1v1.
Autumn, I didn't realize you-
Last
one wall and he has
round in the
2,
half.
and after you win or lose, if you win, you respawn where you were initially, so often they'll kill you for free after.
Oh, where'd
I
you go?
didn't realize you had blinded there, and I was like, "You're ballsy as fuck." just pushing that. Yeah, no, it scared the shit out of me. I was like, "I'm just gonna get their ass fucked right now."
They do walk into that.
I am everywhere.
They walk into
I
the
would
strip
never.
100% of the time.
Shadows
They
traveling.
just don't
Yeah,
shoot.
Bryce,
Here
long
again.
played
Ow,
further
fuck.
back, played
The
further back.
bee.
Stealing sight.
I hear them maybe.
Cover
Face
going
your fear.
I suggest you move. Joke's over.
Oh, this isn't
You're
good.
dead.
That's a lot of
Fuck.
ult.
It's a lot of ults. Fuck. Nice hold on him.
Spike down B.
Alright, they're both on site. I have my revive too. Yeah.
I'm gonna peek. Revive me if you need to.
Healing you.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Good job.
Oh, that's all of them. Good shit,
Good
guys.
job, guys. That was nice.
clear.
That was a great
Good
retake,
swing.
and also Autumn, that was a really great TP, and you had great patience not shooting the.
Oh yeah, Autumn.
stairs.
That's what I was. Yeah, that's what I was.
That was
I didn't say all of those words, but yes, really good job.
All right, what are you guys
Switching
gonna do?
sides.
Are you guys just gonna run one direction for the first 2 rounds, probably?
The strain.
Um,
Work it out, Omen.
Yeah,
I
let's
think
do
we
that-
should
let's do
save
that
A,
B.
C, and just keep
Sorry, that
Cypher
A.
on A, and then maybe do like just a mid default or something.
Okay, mid
Save
deal.
A
You want to
for
try
later.
it? It's just not everybody's gonna have
Where
all
are
their
we-
utils, so I don't know if it's
Yeah.
worth investing all of it. So you guys might just
Okay,
want
yeah.
W key down a site.
Alright,
Let's just go A. I really like
Yeah.
the A
Just go
push.
A, yeah. Just try it. You guys,
Yeah,
duelists,
you're
try
right.
to get out fast, Heaven, and try to get a pick, because they'll probably be swinging you up top.
Reloading.
Everybody else, if you can smoke like screens in Heaven, that'd be good, and then everybody just W key and get kills.
Reloading.
Yeah.
Go team.
Okay, cool.
I'm
Make
gonna-
sure you
I'm
try
gonna
to play
need-
together.
I want to need that place, the screens.
Alright.
Cover going out.
Grenade.
Hey, ladder.
Healing you.
Colin, you gotta kill him. Colin, you gotta kill him. Thank you. Or
I was
the ladder
splashed as
system.
fuck too, unfortunately.
I think
CT?
maybe behind.
Up here. Fuck! Fuck! Didn't mean to put that down.
One enemy remaining.
Didn't mean to.
They're
I didn't mean to. I fat fingered it. Let's go. Good shit.
There's something about that spot and bombs.
Okay, we know the drill.
I didn't mean to. I fat fingered it.
Are we gonna mid buy and just keep the guns that we have? Because we all
That was awesome.
live.
Yeah,
I
no,
feel
you
like
should
it's
mid
worth.
buy. You should mid buy here. Buy light shields and like a Spectre, or no, hey, buy a Stinger or like a Marshal. Are you guys just gonna run the same time?
Let's try that one more
yeah,
time.
no, I'm cool with running that again. Yeah.
So hold on my stream right here.
Yeah, right there. And then the bottom of the umbrella is what you would normally do. You don't have to do it now though.
Well, I mean, I have to
You guys
wait for
WP.
ciphers as well.
Cover going
Actually,
out.
this is fine, I guess.
Blinding.
Oh.
Enemy spotted A.
Smoke now. They're all gonna be one shot with a Marshal.
Reloading.
Okay.
You could back out.
I think we should.
There's one
Yeah.
coming up vent.
Back out then. Back out then.
Back out.
Somebody made a call. Go back out.
Nice,
Back
Bailey.
out, back out, back out.
Back out. Calling back
Alright.
out.
Now take your time. You have a pick. There'll be a gap. Figure out where to go.
That's 2 picks.
You guys still
Okay.
have a ton of util. You could probably go B.
Shadows traveling.
We have sight.
They're probably rotating through C2 or flank, so be fast about it through heaven.
Here.
Oh, nice, Colin. You can jump up on top of there, Colin.
Oh, I'm here with you.
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
Yeah, execute his ass.
Good
That was
job.
awesome. Good job, guys.
Already forgotten you.
I got your backs. Just
So traditional methods say don't buy up here. You can rebuy shields, but stick with the gun you have.
Okay.
You should expect for this to not win this round, because this is. their
Yeah,
bonus.
how about a mid default? Are we feeling it?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
could do
I
that.
can work with that.
Yeah, drop me the bomb over here when you get here, Autumn.
All right, so wait for Autumn's flash. Play up
No,
Autumn's
no,
flash.
no, no, no. Wait though. Wait though. Fade throws. Stand back there. Stand back there. Diego, move.
Drop
have
the
the
spike.
Clutch play right there.
Cover going out.
No.
enemy spotted mid. Next.
Save your ass. Okay.
Top of mid.
Someone is mid.
There's one
He's on
heaven.
B side.
We should maybe.
Go to the flash and you're out.
Reloading.
Yeah.
Reloading.
Jesus Christ.
Reloading.
Whoa. Okay.
It'd be time for a rotate, guys.
That big. Yeah, rotate out of there.
Yeah, back out.
Night night.
Nice, Baylor.
The A is probably open.
Got
Alright.
Good job.
Re-engage there, I guess.
One enemy
Good job.
remaining.
Shit, nice, Baylor.
She's up there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
up on
get
seven.
on site. Get on site. Get on site.
Just Vandal.
Seven. Go plant.
She has a Vandal.
Traveling.
Oh, she has a Vandal now.
No, there's only
Yep.
like 8 bullets left in it.
Oh,
No, like 8 bullets total.
30
Yeah.
seconds left.
Expect screens.
On site.
She's on side. She's on side.
nice.
Good job.
Nice.
Good
Good
So
job,
Vandal
guys.
back
Push
up.
this out.
Hey, pull that gun out. Put that gun out.
Once
Damn
more
it.
into
I
battle.
wanted to see if he was
But
right.
I'm not tired. Are you?
It was right.
That was solid.
The
Oh, about the
Vandal
8
that counted
bullets?
no shots. I was just curious. It's like that's a crazy thing to remember.
Yo,
If
Holden,
that's
you
true,
seeing
that would've
this
been hilarious.
in the
What's
middle
the-
of my
What's
screen
the
right
play this
now?
time?
B default.
Oh my
Three
fucking
people.
god.
You guys remember what to do?
Yes, I slow orbit
Better
at the
watch mid,
start.
Don't let new cross. Yeah,
I'm
slow it at the
nading.
beginning,
I'm
naded
nading
at the beginning.
L, right?
Yes. Wait on the
Okay.
smoke.
We
Wait on the
played well.
smoke. Autumn.
Shadows traveling.
They're pushing mid.
Grenade.
Autumn blind mid. Through
Reloading.
sight.
My bad.
Through sight. Sorry, mid through sight.
Satchel
To the
out.
right.
Ow.
Fill up.
You fought well. Enemy spotted B.
One enemy remaining.
For you.
Plants. I'll
Wait,
push
Pushing
me.
here. Plant.
Whatever ladder, the place where you the ropes or.
Rope. I'm coming through.
We need
Oh, dude, I
someone.
fucked that one up so bad.
Oh, I'll watch our flank.
Embarrassing.
If someone watches heaven.
I'm coming through mid.
Flawless.
Seven. Oh,
Good shit.
on the rope!
Nice, guys.
That
Ow,
sucks.
holy shit.
It
was
sucks,
good.
dude.
Amazing RNG.
Let's go.
You guys
Amazing
maybe try full A.
archaeology. Well, yeah, I'd love to do the full A one again. I like that. My blast packs hurt you guys, right? They bump you. Okay.
Okay, so Autumn is gonna flash sight, and then you guys are all gonna push sight. Baylor, try to use your updraft to get onto, or you're looking mid. That's all right. Yeah. Diego.
Okay.
Nade,
Yeah, nade.
screens, everything. Yeah.
Nade screens, yeah.
You're dead. Cover going out.
He's pushing me mid.
Stealing sight.
I'm all dead. You guys gotta
Get out there,
go.
get out there.
Y'all have to go now. There's 3 mid. Well, you were waiting.
They're coming up
I'm on
then
site. I'm
already.
on site.
Yes, you fucking
Oh, I
were.
also-
We can watch the video.
You're being a big goofball.
Oh fuck.
Last
Dude,
player
dude.
No, you've been
Oh,
fucking
wow.
bitching this entire fucking game. I'm leaving
It's
this
alright,
shitty
it's alright.
fucking disc.
You guys did well. Don't
Stop.
leave. Don't
This
leave.
shit's so stupid. The entire time arguing with Holden, all this other shit. It's fucking
What are you
annoying.
talking about?
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. It's alright, it's alright.
Just
Hey, let's
clear
just stop talking about
comms,
it and let's just
especially
focus on
so
the
I
game.
can hear at the start.
Okay. Yeah, you guys did stagger there a little bit. Whenever the smokes go up, you guys need to get on site. Okay? Like, if that's what you're gonna do. You guys should probably default now.
Just clear comms.
It's alright, it's alright. So, what are you gonna do? Mid default? Or full A? Or. It looks like you guys are running for a full A.
we're full. I think
Oh.
we're full in again. Yeah.
Okay. Get out there this time.
I will be their nightmare. Shadows.
You guys can wait on
Cover going
his
out.
smokes. Yeah, there you go. Alright, get out there. Unlucky. Alright, maybe back up.
Reload.
Don't try to spam back. Alright.
Maybe just default for right now.
Yeah, play for a pick. Or
I
mid.
headshotted him mid. Phoenix.
Watch behind Autumn. Oh, that fucking sucks for me.
Let go. My ultimate is ready.
One dead.
Phoenix is 141.
No, that's not your bet. I told you,
You
to look
should
behind.
last player standing.
Shadows traveling. Still in sight. Watch them run.
Nice try. It's alright. It's alright, it's alright. You guys got this.
Paint. Check.
We're just all.
Yeah, that was mostly luck. That shot on Diego at the
Yeah.
start was
The
insane.
timing of the execute, I think, was a little bit part of the issue. But it's alright. Let's talk about it later.
Where are we going?
Just mid
Let's
default.
not
Just do
full A
that.
this time. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
mid default.
Yeah, mid default. Take your time. Wait on the flash. Play the
I don't
flash.
think.
Autumn, wait on them to walk up mid before you flash, and you guys wait on the flash to swing heaven. Okay?
Has Fade still been hitting mid?
Autumn, you're flashing B heaven.
It's not.
Enemy spotted mid. Reloading.
They're pre-firing on A.
Reloading.
No one there. I think this should.
Smoke vent.
Oh, there's 70.
Face your
Okay.
fear.
I'm fade.
Spike down mid.
Your duty is not over. So what I missed? I have this.
What's the
You guys
plan?
got this. Looks like A is most open. Don't die. Do it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I totally just blocked you, dude.
God fucking damn it.
Don't just like ego duel. A looked like it was open. Also expect a flank.
Yeah, let's go A.
Good attempt.
Okay.
Yep.
That's right.
Nice.
Expect flank, and also you guys are making a ton of noise, so expect them to be there when you get there.
Well, you've already made noise. So.
30 seconds left.
Enemy spotted A.
Hey, you need to heal Diego.
Last player standing. Spike down A.
Nice try. It's alright. Alright, you guys got this. Let's just all remember what we're supposed to do.
Okay,
Okay.
Colin,
I think we're
Colin,
fine.
Colin.
What's
Yeah,
up?
so one
Colin.
thing, so Autumn, you need to smoke
What's
on
up?
mid for them so that they can push up right there.
Colin, one thing
what's
also,
up?
like, no flame, but you have 0 assist on Sage. You need to heal other people, because the heal on you isn't very good. Like,
Word.
let's say you're with me,
Yeah.
like, I know you probably don't think about it, but, like,
Well, what's the
Sage,
play?
like, the heal
The
is,
heal
like,
Also,
really
okay,
good.
so mid default again.
Players
Right.
plus 100.
Guys, also keep in mind if you guys are just pinned there on mid, you guys should swing together and you'll be able to kill them, or at the very least trade and take space.
Cover going out.
Bomb buddy out. Reloading.
Take space. What are you guys doing?
Blinding.
Get together. Walk up.
Yeah, like, Colin, you need
Derek,
to come
you guys
over
should
here
be in
and
heaven
fit,
right
like,
now. You guys
I
should be in
need,
heaven
I
right
need
now.
heal.
What are you doing?
Satchel out. Blocking sight.
One enemy remaining.
He's
Heaven.
7.
Flawless.
Nice.
Good job.
Diego killed
Good job,
his
guys.
girlfriend.
Meaningless.
What?
Diego
Good
killed his
job.
girlfriend.
Match
Good.
point.
Oh no.
Good.
Let's show them out.
Alright, maybe full B.
Full
So
B.
everybody go
Full
towards
B?
B. Bryce, you do the exact same setup and lurk mid after you do it.
Okay.
And so, guys, wait, take a second. You're gonna fight B main. Remember, you're gonna like slow and nade it, and then Bryce is
want me
gonna
to
put up his
smoke it off,
cages.
too?
Yeah. You're gonna put up your cages like right before they go out.
I am
So wait on that smoke. Wait,
I'll
no,
try
no,
and
no,
shoot
wait
the
on that
fade
smoke.
thing.
Autumn, wait on that.
Cover going out.
They usually send it like right here.
Colin, why?
That's the plan. That was literally the plan. Or is
Oh
that
my
like
God.
the default plan?
Shadows traveling.
To the left is cleared. They just jumped down from it.
Here.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Oh, there aren't any to the left. Fade left.
On wall right.
Oh, sorry.
On ropes.
Get out there, guys.
Heaven.
Off mid.
Turret to the left.
You and me. Not the spike.
Holy shit.
You're
Sorry,
fucking
I'm
bad,
doing
kid.
this
On spike.
Last player
Right, push heaven.
standing.
There's an op.
30
there's an op that
seconds
had me
left.
pinned. Right there. Fuck.
One enemy remaining.
Over your camera.
10 seconds left.
You
Why would
Nice.
they push
Sorry,
that?
fucking
That's
stupid.
so
Let's go.
stupid.
Ego.
Let's
Ego
go.
dueled. She ego dueled and she lost. What a dummy.
One day more.
Yeah, I don't know why she dueled that.
Yeah, they would have had that round. Could have had that round so easy.
Good job, guys.
Last night was like torture because of the
Last night was
overtime.
16-15. Yeah, of course it did. Holy shit.
Damn, those 5 extra assists went a long way.
Bailey, you trying to hop back on Rust,
go.
dude?
Alright, we are
No.
1/7 of the way to making playoffs.
It's good.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Somebody check and see what that other team is ranked in our group.
Let's see.